Hi, grade 5th. In previous class of EVS, I had completed chapter number 4, and today I am starting with exercise A. Choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. Number 1. The Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd April. Here all the list is given in very short, so you can check the answers from here. Number 2. International Women's Day was observed on 28th February in an official holiday in China and Brazil. चाइना और ब्राज़ील में इंटरनेशनल वुमेन्स डे के दिन छुट्टी होती है. नंबर 3. यूनाइटेड नेशंस एजुकेशनल साइंटिफिक एंड कल्चरल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज ऑफन रिफर्ड एज यूनेस्को. अगर नहीं समझ में आए तो यहाँ सबके फुल फॉर्म दिए गए हैं. यूनेस्को. नंबर 4. एनवायरमेंट डे इज ऑब्जर्व वर्ल्ड वाइड ऑन 5th जून. 5th जून को हम वर्ल्ड एनवायरमेंट डे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. यस. Exercise B. Say whether these statements are true or false. You have to say the sentence are true or false. Number 1. World Health Day is celebrated on 7th April every year. Is this correct? World Health Day is celebrated on 7th April. So this sentence is true. The World Health Organization, that is WHO, डिक्लेयर द इंटरनेशनल लिटरेसी डे. अगर हेल्थ की बात हो रही है तो वर्ल्ड लिटरेसी डे क्यों सेलिब्रेट करेगा या फिर क्यों डिक्लेयर करेगा, राइट? तो दिस सेंटेंस इज फॉल्स. अगर WHO है तो वर्ल्ड हेल्थ डे आएगा, या फिर इंटरनेशनल लिटरेसी डे है तो यूनेस्को आएगा. सो दिस सेंटेंस इज फॉल्स. 8th मार्च इज इंटरनेशनल वुमेन्स डे. 8th March International Women's Day है. Yes, this is true. The first International Women's Day was observed in Spain, Spain. First International Women's Day स्पेन में ऑब्जर्व हुआ था? नहीं. It was in United Nations of America, and the short form for United States of America is USA. So this sentence is false because here it is told Spain and it is not Spain, it is USA. Exercise C. Match the following. 7th April World Health Day. 5th June World Environment Day. 8th September International Literacy Day. 8th March International Women's Day. 22nd April Earth Day. Yes. You have to complete exercise A, B and C in textbook, and sorry. एक्सरसाइज डी भी आप टेक्स्ट बुक में ही करोगे. वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर्स. राइट द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ UN. यूनाइटेड नेशन इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ UN. हियर इट इज गिवन. यूनाइटेड नेशंस UN. Right? When the World Health Day is celebrated, when the World Health Day is celebrated, तो answer is on 7th April every year. Exercise E. Why do we celebrate International Literacy Day? हम इंटरनेशनल लिटरेसी डे क्यों सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? We celebrate International Literacy Day the day is observed to aim to spread the literacy among the children, literacy adults across the world, and International Literacy Day is also less focused on providing equal opportunities for every person and education irrespective of their financial background. This is answer E1. Right? Number 2. Why is the World Health Day celebrated? World Health Day क्यों सेलिब्रेट होता है? वर्ल्ड हेल्थ डे सेलिब्रेट होता है दिस डे की जगह वर्ल्ड हेल्थ डे is celebrated to create the awareness about good health and balanced diet, hygiene and vaccination. This answer is E2. Yes. Question F. Exercise F. Long answers. When is the Earth Day celebrated and by whom? Earth Day कब celebrate होता है और कौन करता है? So here is the answer. Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd April all over the world, and the day is now observed by each year by more than 50 lakh people. 50 लाख से ज़्यादा लोग उसको सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, and the national governments of 175 countries. 175 countries की national government उसको सेलिब्रेट करती है. This is your answer F1. What is the International Women's Day? International Women's Day क्या है? So here is the answer. International Women's Day is celebrated on 8th March as the universal day for all the women around the world. This day marks a celebration of the achievements of struggle against the gender equality. So this is answer F2. So hope this is clear to you all. आपका होमवर्क है एक्सरसाइज ABCD you will write in textbook and exercise E and F you will write in notebook. एक्सरसाइज G आप खुद करोगे. क्यों? क्योंकि इसके आंसर्स ऑलरेडी इसमें दिए हुए हैं. Right? With this, I'll end this class and I have also completed chapter number 4. So, goodbye everyone. Goodbye for the day. Bye.